Welcome back to Brain Quiz. Great job. A distant train creates deep rumbles just like thunder. Well done. Pigeons go softly just like a cat purr. Nice work. A balloon's hissing sound is just like a snake's warning. Well done. Tapping fingers can sound just like raindrops hitting glass. That's right, a galloping horse creates a steady rhythm. Good job. The high-pitched hum of a toothbrush sounds just like a bee in flight. Nice work. The rustling of leaves can sound like ocean waves. Spot on. The subtle rumble of a moving train feels like a phone buzzing. Correct. Crunching chips sound just like a warm fire cracking. You are right, owls hoot in a rhythmic way just like a slow whistle. Great guess. Goat bleats can sound surprisingly like a crying baby. Spot on, a woodpecker's rapid packs can easily be mistaken for knocking. Good job, a hyena calling out. Nice one. Cracking ice and snapping branches have a similar sharp sound. You got it. Leaves rustling softly. Great guess. A chainsaw rolls is just like a motorcycle. You are right, sometimes a loud meowing sounds just like a crying baby. Excellent. Microphone breathing can mimic the sound of strong winds. Good job. A cat purring. Great job. The click clack of a typewriter is just like a woodpecker's peck. That's right, light raindrops sound just like someone tapping at a window. Great job, a bicycle bell's sharp ring can easily be mistaken for a phone. Nice peck, a kettle's high-pitched whistle sounds just like a person whistling. Brilliant answer. Fireworks and thunder both create deep booming sounds. You nailed it. A car backfire sounds like a sudden clap of thunder. Fantastic guess. A coffee machine brewing. Well played. A bouncing ball can mimic soft. You got it. A phone vibrating on a table can sound just like a tickling clock. Excellent choice. A squealy door's crunch matches the sound of a walking on snow. Spot on, a clock's chime can be just as sharp as a doorbell ring. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more GK videos.